Okay, so die symbool van stroomsterkte is wat? 'n hoofletter I, maar sy eenheid is ons skryf net die A neer, né? Maar as ons praat daarvan is dit ampere. Okay, hulle sê daar vir jou bladsy 155, die elektriese stroom is die tempo waarteen elektriese lading in 'n stroombaan vloei. Now remember the word tempo has something to do with time that passes. Okay? So as ons praat van tempo van lading wat vloei, beteken dit ons kyk nie net hoeveel ladings nie, ons kyk hoeveel ladings per tydinterval vloei. Okay? So the stronger the current strength, the more ampere it has, the more charges will pass past a point per time increment. Okay, goed. En die ene, daar's twee verskillende formules waarin ons stroomsterkte gaan gebruik. Die een het ons nou net by die voriges gebruik. Die V is gelyk aan I maal R. But the other one that you guys need to know is this one. I is equal to Q over delta T. And this one relates to the formal definition that I just gave you. So met ander woorde, stroomsterkte gaan oor die hoeveelheid ladings per tyd. Nee? So the tempo of, that's where we get the time and the amount of charges. So hierdie ene gaan ons meet in ampere. Hierdie een is ladings, that's charges. And what do we measure charges? Coulomb. En tyd? Yep. Very important. So if I tell you it passes past the point in 3 minutes, what do? Yes, jy maal dit met 60. Okay. Ek gaan nou vir julle 'n bietjie huiswerk gee, hè? Wat? I just want to clarify a few things first. So when we are working in series, hierdie is op julle, dit is in julle notas op bladsy 156 in julle handboeke. So jy hoef dit nou nie oor te teken nie. When we are working in series, each ammeter will have the same reading, want die stroom is oral constant. Okay, so the reading on ammeter 1 will be equal to the reading on ammeter 2 will be equal to the reading on ammeter 3. Want die stroom het nie 'n ander paadjie wat hy kan volg nie, né? Hy kan nie links draai en McDonald's toe gaan nie. Hy het net een pad wat hy kan volg. So die stroomsterkte word oral dieselfde gemeet. The current strength is the same everywhere in a circuit that is series. Maar as dit kom by parallel, that's going to be confusing. Okay, sien julle hierdie stuk en hierdie stuk? Through A1 and A4, there's no other route for the charge to follow. Okay? So sien julle A1 en A4 is basies in serie met mekaar. Do you agree? Okay? But that part in the middle, we have two different routes for the current to split through. So do you guys agree that A1 will have the same reading as A4? Die hele lading gaan deur A1 en die hele lading gaan deur A4. No split there, no alternative route. Okay? Wat sê julle van A2 en A3? Remember, the current can't just disappear. Nee, so sê nou maar ons het 4 ampere lading wat deur hierdie stroombaan gaan. En ek sê nou vir jou hierdie ene meet 1 ampere. Hoeveel gaan die ene meet? Nee. 3. Hoekom? Want daar's 4 in totaal. So if one passes through the top one, then the rest has to go through the bottom part. Want A2 plus A3 moet vir my dieselfde gee as A1 en A4. Remember, the current can't go away. It has to pass through either the top part or the bottom part. So die twee bymekaar getel moet weer vir jou die totale stroom gee. What if I added another branch? The same still counts, né? Then you have to say A1 plus A2 plus A3, for instance, will give you the total current. Because it has 3 different routes, but it has nothing else. It can't go anywhere else. So the total current has to pass through one of those 3. So as jy hulle 3 dan bymekaar tel, moet jy weer die totale ammeter lees hê. Okay. Are you guys happy with that? Nou daar's vir julle 'n klein bietjie teorie wat julle gaan moet deurlees daar. Hulle sê vir jou read through the paragraph on page 147, and there they talk about the relationship between resistance and current, but we'll talk about that a bit more. And then I want you to do for homework exercise 12 on page 159. The whole exercise, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Julle gaan sien dis baie vinnig. Quick sticks.